Welcome to This Week in Home Tech and Smart Devices on tech-life-insights.com. We've got 5 stories to cover this week. Let's dive right in. First up, story number 1, 8 must-have elements for your website specification in 2026. Why you need a website. The first step in crafting a comprehensive website specification is understanding why you need it in the first place. A well-defined purpose can guide every aspect of your site's design and functionality, ensuring that each element serves a specific business objective. About your business, your website should reflect who you are as a brand. Primary content definition. What content will be central to your site? This includes main pages like About Us, services, products, blog, contact, etc. Each page should serve a specific purpose and provide valuable information for users. Define your primary pages About Us, introduce your team, history, and values. Next up, story number 2, the complete guide to building your smart home in 2026, from Alexa to robot vacuums. Common pitfall. Don't pick a hub based solely on brand loyalty. Consider compatibility with your existing devices and future expandability. Step 3. Install smart light bulbs. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to start automating your home. Common pitfall. Ensure that your hub supports the specific brand of bulbs you choose for seamless integration. Step 4. Add voice-controlled speakers. Voice control can be incredibly convenient for playing music or accessing information hands-free. Amazon's Echo Dot 3rd Gen, $50, and Google Nest Mini, $40, are affordable options that fit neatly into your daily routine. Next up, story number 3, the critical security flaw in VS Code that enables GitHub token theft via a single click. Understanding the vulnerability. The core of this issue lies in how VS Code handles its WebView components. WebViews are lightweight HTML-based interfaces that allow developers to embed websites or other applications within VS Code without compromising the integrity of the development environment. However, a misconfiguration in these WebViews has allowed attackers to exploit them for nefarious purposes. Technical details of the flaw. The security flaw in VS Code allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into WebViews using signed certificates that are trusted by browsers and operating systems. This enables them to bypass smart screen warnings and other security measures designed to protect users from phishing attacks. How attackers exploit WebView security signed certificates. There is no evidence that Sectigo certificates A. Next up, story number 4, Ladybird Review. A deep dive into the future of home automation. Overall verdict, 4/5. Ladybird excels in several areas, particularly when it comes to integrating multiple smart home devices into a cohesive system. However, some features are still under development, leading us to give it a solid recommendation with room for improvement. First impressions. When you first set up Ladybird, the initial setup process is surprisingly intuitive. The companion app guides you through connecting your existing smart home gadgets effortlessly. Within minutes, you can have all your devices, from smart lights and thermostats to security cameras, working in harmony under the Ladybird ecosystem. And finally, story number 5, S&P 500 rejects SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic. What this means for investors. Pros. Ring Video Doorbell Pro, easy setup, reliable performance, wide-angle view. Eufy RoboVac X8S Pro Plus, advanced LiDAR navigation, multi-floor mapping capability. Nest Learning Thermostat, saves on energy bills, integrates with smart home systems. Cons. Ring Video Doorbell Pro, requires subscription for advanced features like video storage and motion alerts. Eufy RoboVac X8S Pro Plus, expensive compared to basic models, battery life is average. Nest Learning Thermostat, initial setup can be complex, requires frequent calibration. That's a wrap for this week in Home Tech and Smart Devices. For the full articles with all the details and links, head over to TechLifeInsights.com. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a weekly roundup. See you next week.